Yucatan, the Atlantic coastal region of Mexico, famous for its unique cenotes, beautiful beaches, Mayan ruins, and its unique culture. It stands to be one of the most touristic places in Mexico. We landed in the international airport of Cancun and rented a car. Our first stop, Playa del Carmen, which is 45 minutes away from the airport. It is known to be the coastal resort town of Mexico, the strip of the Caribbean shoreline, famous for its palm-lined beaches and coral reefs. We booked our stay at the Occidental of the Xcaret. This is a beautiful all-inclusive resort, including 11 restaurants and bars, over 7 swimming pools and beautiful white sand beaches lined with palm trees, made unique for preserving ancient ruins, surrounded by beautiful lush gardens and natural pools allowing for snorkeling. This is your perfect hideout.
Mexico Cancun. It's in the nice tacos. Nice and full. Check it out. There's everything inside. Just everything.
Get up. Bueno.
Wow. Rich.
The Xcaret is a group consisting of 8 adventure parks. Our first adventure park, XENSES, a place where nothing is what it seems. This extraordinary experience tests your perception of reality. Words cannot explain. A place where adulting is forbidden. Amen to that. Next park, FUEGO, for those adrenaline junkies like us. This park offers an adventure where the Mayan jungle comes to life. Did I mention adrenaline junk?
I'm sure it's only us making noise in the whole park. Amore!
As mentioned previously, Xcaret is an all-inclusive resort, and that includes their parks as well. So food and beverage is also well taken care of. I mean, guys, what more can you ask for? Chichen Itza, one of the new man-made 7 wonders of the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Made famous as it was built by the Mayan people in 600 to 900, this site served as an economical and political powerhouse, and it includes multiple pyramids, palaces, temples, and very interesting sculptures. The next day we headed to Tulum, made famous for its more laid-back atmosphere with its stunning beaches and line of restaurants. With 2 days of rest from adventure, we headed to the XEL-HA. This is a natural water park including unlimited snorkeling, food and beverages. Here you can enjoy swimming by the beautiful rivers, cenotes and hidden bays. The Tulum ruins, known to be the only Mayan city built on the coast. What makes it unique is how well kept the structures remained, even though built over 1,000 years AD.